This video is presented by
صفقي صمود أصلا إبراهيم أمين.
Food is essential for human life, and the world population is outgrowing food production. Cities are the most populated areas, yet they consume food more than they produce.
Food production is heavily reliant on farming. Conventional irrigation requires a lot of water, and chemical pesticides and fertilizers are often used on plants, which can affect our health when we eat this food. Farming is rare in cities, and for the most part, it's usually in greenhouses using soil, which can be hard to maintain in cities.
fish farming or aquaculture is also common and is usually done in big open areas. In rare occasions, raising fish can be done in cities in water tanks, but there is a problem. Fish produce waste containing ammonia, which is toxic in high concentration. Thus, the water needs to be changed regularly.
With traditional farming having imperfections, we have come up with the idea to use aquaponics systems in empty areas in cities like rooftops. Before we explain what aquaponics is, there is another term that we will introduce: hydroponics.
Hydroponics means cultivating plants in water without soil. Instead, plants are grown with their roots in an inert medium, like gravel or perlite, and get their nutrition from solutions in water instead of soil. This method uses much less water than traditional farming, and it can also be used efficiently indoors and in small spaces.
What do hydroponics have to do with aquaponics? Well, in fact, aquaponics is a sustainable food production system that combines hydroponics with traditional aquaculture in a symbiotic environment where they cancel each other's waste, providing a closed-loop system where the plants live off the fish waste and the fish live in water purified by the plants. But how does this work?
Fish waste contains diluted ammonia in the water, and in an aquaponics system, water is pumped from the fish tank into a hydroponic grow bed above the fish tank that contains plants.
Bacteria living on the plant's roots transforms the ammonia in the water into nitrates, and then the purified water is returned to the fish tank through a siphon system. This is called the nitrogen cycle.
Aquaponics is much more efficient than traditional farming, because humans can imitate the precise balance of nature to yield tons of fresh produce and healthy fish with very little effort. It allows individuals to produce their own healthy, high-quality, pesticide-free fresh food.
Our project is to make aquaponics system and sell them to people in cities who are interested in producing their own food. Normal people can become producers instead of consumers by using aquaponics, raising their sensibility about consumption and the ecosystem. This would also reduce the individual's reliance on the unstable market prices in acquiring their food. Aquaponics also makes cities more sustainable by producing their own food. This is why we believe that aquaponics is the future of sustainable farming.